Hey guys, we have decided to surprise my mom and family's all here in support of mom. Mom's coming up. She thinks that she's coming onto a scene where the floor is flooded, but really we had remodeled her entire house. So grandkids are here in the middle. Going to surprise grandma here at the door. You gotta get the door. And got the downstairs set. Is she even here yet? Yeah, she's running around. Memories in this house. Mom's room. The hardworking fellas that put this house together. Whoa, bro. Kitchen. And mom is running on that poly time. Baby, you're gonna be hella mad because I got you. Yes. Advice of the day.
That is the number 6 out of 13.
Okay, 10 years later, still waiting. Well, while we're waiting, here's a memory of mom. We have Mariama, Junior, Keith, Becca, Helen, Roseanne. Wait, no, that's Eva and Roseanne. Mom, and Keefy's the baby. Kids, cheese.
Good job, everybody.
Everybody, great job. Grandma's going to be really happy to see this. Shut up, Felicia. Oh, Kafefa.
Did Gina go get the card from mom?
She's walking, yeah. She was kind of acting like she's surprised.
And she's still walking.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Hey, you're loud.
Hey, shut the hell up, kids. Alright, and listen, y'all are on my live video, so don't mess it up for me. Crazy barbarian kids. Gotta love him.
She already sees us.
Shh.
Wait, I can't see.
I'm sorry. Who the hell left all their dang sandals?
Boo-boo, Jellica.
She is standing right there.
Oh my gosh.
Wait until she opens the door.
Wait. Let Gina in first, wait. Alright, everybody, go bear hugs. Right? The stampede.
Oh, what you talking about?
These are all of Becca and Roseanne and Bobby's kids.
I only have Made the Queen. Still missing more.
Because she doesn't even know.
Can she at least see the house already? Come on, guys.
Mom, hang up the phone. Come check out the house.
Clear the way. Clear the way.
It's all
Mom, your house is all flooded.
Check it out. Look at all you got new rugs.
We straight told my mom that her whole house was flooded.
Good. Got a new rugs. Tell them to check out the downstairs.
Yes.
Go ahead and go upstairs.
So go ahead and go downstairs, Mom. Check that out. Uncle Henry.
Check out your bed.
All the boys got together and
Dude.
Jenny, come look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom.
there you go. That's your downstairs.
I can't see the door.
And that is your restroom downstairs.
Oh, damn. We finished it last night. Ooh,
Mom,
not crying?
Mom is crying. Oh my
We
god.
didn't have enough for the rug for the downstairs.
and
And there you go.
We love you, Mom.
And she's tearing up.
Now you're gonna be my neighbor.
And Mom, as far as the appliances. All right, everyone, upstairs, upstairs.
And go ahead and go upstairs.
Come check out your room that you've always wanted to be in again. Yeah, Mom's garage, cleaned it out. Aww. Come on, guys, come on.
Oh, I love it. I love
The
it.
grandkids, thank you, Lena. Sweetie, baby.
Mom, welcome back to your room. Nice and remodeled.
The Okisanes, the Laus, the Amavai. Go ahead and go look in your
Everything's all new now.
Everything.
Yep.
Your son Henry painted that.
Yep, come check out your other
Doors
room.
are painted white out here too.
It's all for you, Mom.
All right.
She's happy to be back in her bathroom. Hey. Mom's bathroom.
Henry's working, so he's gonna make
David downstairs. All your kids know. And everyone hug grandma.
All right, bear hugs, guys. This is what family's all about. All right, so where are we going to eat at? Becca's like, I'm out of here. I'm tired of treating y'all.
Thank you so much.
This is Suprise?
Yes. So, I was so mad to call me my house.
We're like, Mom, it's flooded.
We're trying to find an excuse, like, okay, what should we tell Mom? And she's like, she won't come to their damn church.
And people over there say, hey, I can't go, my house is flooded. I said, what? My house is people over there. Oh, thank you very much.
That's for you. Let me know how much. You know how much.
Go on to the sister. God bless you all, you guys, for all this stuff. You guys. You guys do for me. I'm serious. I really want to move away in my house. Yeah. And thank you very much for everything. May God bless you guys and you guys kids. Thank you. You guys do a lot of stuff for me.
You do a lot for us. That's what you do.
Yeah, we did this all for you, Mom. We owe it to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So where's the party at?
Okay, Becca, can you be the host? Toast to the host, Becca.
Okay.